Okay, so this one's a little bit tricky. Sorry, I forgot it on the last video. So here we go. I think the mistake you made here was you actually calculated BD correctly, but the question's actually asking for AD, that side AD. So what I'm going to do is just zoom this around and twist it around a little bit so you can see what we're looking at. So when I turn it around, we have this point here. So we've got the angle here, sorry, the side here, AB, okay? Got this side here, BD, and the side the question's asking us to calculate is AD, okay? So that's the hypotenuse there. And the other important note here that makes this question possible is these two little lines indicate that there and there are the exact same length, okay? But in order to calculate this one, this hypotenuse here, we're going to need to know this length here. So when you zoom back out, back to this triangle here, we can see that we've got, yep, the side, the height, the perpendicular height, and the base here correct. Okay, so with 3 meters and 3 meters, we're going to calculate this hypotenuse when we look this way. All right, so you did that correctly, and the answer you got once you did that one was 4.24. So that was, you worked out here that this was 4.24, which is correct for BD, because what you did is you did the Pythagoras theorem correctly, and you calculated this as 4.24. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at then how would we calculate this other one. I think now you could probably see where you've gone wrong. This one here, so obviously this side here is also 4.24, equivalent sides there. All right, so very simple again. So Pythagoras theorem, as you did fairly well in the rest of the test. We're going to label this side C, obviously, this A and this B. Okay, so C squared equals, so it's going to be 4.24 squared plus 4.24 squared. Okay, so C squared equals, and this is, it's pretty close. It's approximately, it's 17.9 something. So it rounded up to 18 because I looked at the options in the multiple choice. C equals the square root of 36. So C equals 6. Okay, so AD, so therefore side AD equals 6. Oops, equals 6. All right, so that's that last question that you just missed. I think you just misread it and didn't quite see that it was actually asking for AD, not BD. All right.